Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. Just want to show a quick tip on how to unclog the AeroGarden Sprout. Okay, so as you can see, the AeroGarden Sprout, the lights are on, it's turned on, but the pump isn't running. And what happens is this nozzle thing gets clogged, and that just happens occasionally as you use it. Ideally, you would take some pliers, or there's a tool you can use to twist this out and take it apart and clean it. But if you're in a hurry and just want to get it going, these little dental picks work really well. You get these in the dental section of any store. It's basically like a little tiny pipe cleaner. So if you just buy one just for this purpose, keep it handy. It comes with a little cap. And what you want to do is just kind of bend it a little bit, and then lift the lid. Just gonna poke that in there a little bit. And that's it. That's all. Yeah, that's all there is to it. So yes, I just keep this handy. You know, every so often, I mean, you really just need to take it apart and clean it, but then like if you're in a hurry, don't have time to do that, that's a quick fix and gets it going again. So anyway, hope you found that useful. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.